The latest news about the Tesla Bot Optimus Gen 3 has just sent shockwaves across the globe.
We started production in June, and we're ramping quality builds and things around the quarter.
Tesla has officially confirmed that Optimus Gen 3 entered real-world testing this past June ahead of its official debut at the company's big November event. What's even more impressive, this humanoid robot is capable of handling 80 to 100 household tasks a day, learning directly from video without needing constant human control. According to Tesla's data, the bot has already logged over 12,000 hours in virtual simulations and 3,500 hours of testing in controlled environments. During that time, it learned how to recognize kitchen items, organize household tools, and even prepare meals from raw ingredients. In other words, Optimus Gen 3 isn't just assisting, it's taking initiative. Think grabbing fresh vegetables, placing a pan on the stove, and adjusting cooking temperatures for each dish. So, what exactly can Optimus Gen 3 do today? Is it truly 100% intelligent, or are there still limitations? And the big question is, will the first Gen 3 units really cost between $200,000 and $500,000? As the rumors suggest, in a recent trial inside Tesla's research lab, the Tesla bot successfully prepared a full breakfast with eggs, toast, and fruit in just 15 minutes. That included washing the ingredients, cracking the eggs, managing the stove, and plating the meal. Thanks to its advanced AI algorithms, Optimus can anticipate the next step in a dynamic environment. If water boils too quickly, it automatically lowers the heat. If a spice jar is misplaced, it identifies and retrieves the right ingredient on its own. Beyond cooking, Optimus Home is also designed to handle daily cleaning routines, sweeping floors, wiping surfaces, and sorting trash. According to Tesla, its battery is optimized to run up to 20 hours on a 2.5-hour charge, enough to complete a full day's work. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, Optimus can recognize small household items like cups, chopsticks, and plates, handling them without dropping or breaking. It can also take on secondary cleaning tasks such as sweeping the kitchen floor or wiping down counters. What makes this possible is its multitasking AI, which constantly evaluates the environment to maximize efficiency and prevent accidents. Tesla engineers note that even subtle adjustments like recalibrating grip strength on a slippery tomato are handled automatically, showcasing the robot's impressive dexterity and situational awareness. Tesla emphasizes that dexterous hands are the key to mastering household tasks. Optimus Home is equipped with hands featuring 22 degrees of freedom and 26 degrees of freedom in one arm, capable of adjusting force and movement with precision, whether it's peeling an egg, chopping vegetables, or stirring dough. According to Tesla's lead engineer, mass-producing these hands so the robot can perform such a wide range of actions is 50 times harder than building a robotic arm for a factory. If you place Optimus Home in a typical family lunch setting, it can open the fridge, select ingredients, cook rice, prepare the main dish, and clean up afterward, all without any human intervention. This is clear proof that Tesla is moving closer to creating a robot that takes real initiative in everyday family life. No longer just a pre-programmed tool designed to assist humans, Tesla is preparing to manufacture millions of humanoid robots, and the company plans to keep ramping up until production reaches billions of Optimus units worldwide. So my guess is humanoid robots are more like at $1 billion plus per year. The reality is these robots will take on countless tasks inside your home, and all you'll need to do is spend around $20,000 to own one. Elon Musk and the Tesla team have repeatedly highlighted the wide range of jobs Optimus can handle, from the simple to the highly complex. It's no coincidence Tesla is confident in calling Optimus the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. During Tesla's recent earnings call, Elon Musk revealed that Tesla Bot 3 is expected to launch later this year with an extraordinary design optimized for mass production. However, He stopped short of explaining exactly how it will differ from the current Gen 2 model. And here's an important clarification. The yellow and black Optimus units with upgraded arms we've seen recently are only version 2.5, not the true Optimus Gen 3. Musk confirmed on X. We haven't shown Optimus 53 yet. It is sublime. The second two images are V2 and version 2.5N. Elon Musk has just officially brought up the upcoming Tesla shareholder vote. But what the world is truly waiting for is whether Tesla will finally unveil Optimus in its fully finished form. With a humanoid robot like the Tesla Bot, it's clear it'll be saving three things everyone wants more of: time, energy, and money by letting it take over household management. And when it comes to the kinds of tasks Tesla Bot can handle, Musk has repeatedly stated with confidence that it can truly replace humans in daily work that's boring, dangerous, or repetitive. He's even hinted at the possibility of people making money with this robot. Still, many people remain skeptical about the real role of Tesla Bot if it actually hits the market. We've seen plenty of comments saying that even if Elon Musk dropped the price to $10,000 or even $5,000, they wouldn't spend the money if it turned out to be nothing more than an expensive toy with limited functions. But the truth is undeniable. The main reason customers, including us, would turn to a robot is to make everyday life easier. With only 24 hours in a day, most of us spend over 8 of them at work. Coming home to a pile of chores can feel like a nightmare. Now imagine a different scenario. You walk through the door to find a hot meal freshly cooked, a spotless house, and better yet, the robot is ready to grab you a cold beer or any drink from the fridge while you relax on the sofa. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not a dream. Tesla's Optimus really could make this your reality. Up to now, we firmly believe Optimus will be able to sear a steak without burning down the kitchen or casually walk the dog in pouring rain. And yes, that's not hyperbole. Optimus Gen 3 is expected to leap far ahead of Gen 2.5 in both design and capability, but Elon Musk has never been satisfied with robots that stop at physical tasks. The promise of 100 tasks per day or 3,000 tasks in total never filled his ambition. He's always pushing boundaries. In Genesis 3, Tesla plans complete reinvention, not just incremental upgrades. From integrating the Grok AI engine, leveraging xAI's conversational model, to possibly bundling free Starlink connectivity,